Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today what we are going to be making is something very special since we have Diwali on the corner. I wanted to come up with something which you all could make and use for a very good glow, very good festive glow on your skin. And since many people have been requesting for something like a face scrub or a face mask to give them that instant glow, so today specially I have come up with a very good skin brightening, skin glowing face mask which we will be making here today. So this is a 24 karat glow mask. Now the one that we will be making here is a little advanced recipe, but I will be sharing the basic recipe of making a mask in the description box. So for those who would like to give it a try, can definitely go ahead and make this and use this on the skin. For those who want to learn more in-depth ingredients, how it's used, and much more advanced formulations, you all can contact me on the number that's given in the description box. We do have an upcoming workshop for these masks and scrubs where we will be covering these advanced masks. So if you all would like to join in, you all can WhatsApp on the number that's given. So we'll quickly begin with the making of this mask. Now here I have my combination of oils and waxes which will go into my oil phase. You can also use an emulsifying wax if you don't have any other waxes available, and your choice of oils and butters which will be very nourishing and conditioning for the skin to keep it good, soft and healthy. And here we have our water and glycerin. I have already gone ahead and added both together, and we will be going ahead and we will be heating both these phases, our oil phase and our water phase. Okay, so here I have gone ahead and melted down my oil phase completely, and I have gone ahead and heated the water phase as well, so that the temperatures are almost the same. And now we'll go ahead and add our water phase into our oil phase, and we'll go ahead and give this a good blend to combine together. Okay, so now we have gone ahead and combined the oil and the water together, and if you all can see, we have a very nice creamy mixture ready here as our base to go ahead and make our lovely face pack. And this is an extremely effective face pack, so I would really recommend you all going ahead and trying this out. It is absolutely non-drying on the skin. Even after washing out the face pack, you will feel well hydrated, you will feel soft on the skin, the texture will be soft because of all the skin loving ingredients that we have gone ahead and added to make this face mask. So whoever is interested in going ahead and learning how to make these advanced face masks, you all can get in touch with me. Now here I have my combination of powders, all which are extremely good for skin lightening, which has skin lightening, skin glowing benefits. You all can go ahead and add, if you all don't have a lot of powders available, you all can also go ahead and just add a little orange peel or a lemon peel powder. You all can add any clays of your choice which will cleanse the skin, give you a nice glow. Here I have taken a combination of a few powders which is really going to enhance the glow on your skin, and I'm going to go ahead and add these powders into my mixture here. And these packs are in fact these face masks are something which with the first application itself you will see that glow on your skin. So do give this a try. I have specifically come up with this recipe just before Diwali, before the festive season. so that y'all can give this a try, make it, use it, and let me know how y'all find it on your skin. The basic recipe, as I said, will be given in the description box, so y'all can give it a try. Okay, so this is how I have gone ahead and mixed all the powders well into the mixture here, into my base mixture. And here I have a couple of other skin loving ingredients like my extracts. Again, I have taken a combination of extracts which is going to help with pigmentation, with dark circles, with uneven skin tone. So basically this is an overall glow pack, in fact a glow mask, face mask, which will cover all these problems generally that we have on our skin. Okay, so this is how it looks right now. And now we'll go ahead and add our main ingredient, which is our 24 karat gold mica. Now that is something which gives an excellent glow on your skin. This is the gold mica that I will be using, and this is what will give you that that lovely shine on your skin. And you will see that once you wash off your skin after using this mask. So I'm going ahead and adding my 24 karat gold mica powder here, and I will give it a good mix. Okay, so when you make this pack, you will see that shimmer in your face pack. I don't know whether y'all can see that shimmery feeling. I think y'all can see the shimmer on the pack. So this is the shimmer, the shine that you will even get on your skin after you have used this face mask. So I have gone ahead and well combined all the ingredients here, and now we are just left with our final ingredient, that is our fragrance and our preservative. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add our preservative here, which is very important. Whenever you make any skincare products, you cannot skip out on the preservative, otherwise your product will not last for a long time. Fragrance is optional. If you do not want to add any fragrance, you can just skip that off. If you want a fragrance for your face pack, then you can go ahead and add a fragrance. So I will just give this a good mix now, so that everything, all the powders, the gold mica, everything gets well combined together. And this is the consistency of the face pack. I will also show you all a little bit on application how smooth it feels. So this is our lovely 24 karat face mask that we have here, and on application you will see it's very soft, very creamy. And this face pack, this face mask is something that you will have to apply it on your skin, and you will have to keep it for 30 minutes to dry out. So once the face pack is, the face mask is completely dried out, you all can go ahead and wash your skin, and you will see that instant glow on your skin with this face mask. So friends, do give this a try and let me know how you all have liked it. And if you all like the videos that I share with you all, if you all find them good, informative, and you all are learning something out of it, please do like, subscribe, and share with your friends so everyone can benefit out of the videos. Thank you so much everyone. Bye.